Ready to take control of your data and make your Tableau dashboard sing? Today, we're diving deep into editing values within Tableau, empowering you to refine your data right at the source. First, we will demonstrate how to fix directly within your visualizations. Let's say we have a glaring error in correct sales figures. To fix this, we'll use calculated fields. Right-click in the empty space of Measures pane, select Create Calculated Field. This window is where the magic happens. Give your field a descriptive name, like Corrected Sales. Now, using the formula editor, we can adjust the existing information. For example, if some sales are incorrectly listed, we can use an if statement to check and recalculate and assign a new value. Once you're happy with your formula, click Apply and then OK. See how the bars reflecting sales have changed? You have corrected the sales data directly into your visualization. Secondly, we're going to look at editing data at the source. Right-click your data source and you will see an option for Edit Data Source. Please note that this option will not always be available depending on your permissions. This opens up a window that shows the tables you will be using depending on the type of data you are working with. There may be options to change information, change data types, rename columns, etc. If your data source does have this option, you will see the changes reflected on the next refresh of the visualization, and there you have it. You've successfully edited values in Tableau. Now you can ensure your data is accurate.